I'm not sure if you heard of this company Calorie that got sold for $50 million, and the founder is 18-year-old. You just take a picture and they help you track the calories every day and tell you what's in your food. Now during this video, I'm going to show you how you can rebuild the exact same principles of this product, but without knowing how to code and in less than an hour. So the first thing is to take the website here. We're going to go into CodeWords, drop this and say, I want to rebuild this company, but as a WhatsApp agent. You take a picture of your food and put a breakdown of it. Okay, cool. So you got the idea. Now we should basically follow up with a few questions in order to understand more about what I want to build. Okay, so he's asking me if I want to use my own number or if I want to use the default CodeWords number, which is I think like a test number. But let's say for here, we want to use, like, I'm just going to use my number. The second question is about, do we want to do like photos and text, or like do we want to do photos only of the food? I think we can do photos and text. And then it's asking for my daily tracking. Is it just like on a day-to-day basis, or like is it actually keeping track over time of my intakes? But yeah, we definitely want to keep track. Okay, so now it's asking me to scan this QR code. So I just have to do it with the WhatsApp. Let's do this. Now it's scanning. Yeah, all good. So now I need to log my device. And basically my device will act as the agent. So that's how it works. Okay, this is saved. Yes, scanned it. So now it's connected. So now apparently it's working. Let's try it out. Just gonna go and try to find pancake photo. Try with this. Screenshot. And then drop it. Let's see. Have trouble analyzing that. Try seeing a clear for text description. Okay, maybe let's try to debug this. These are the problems with live building. Sometimes you get things that you don't expect. Let's try. I just got this. So the good thing about CodeWords is debugging. By itself, it's running all of the different tests in order to find what is the actual problem, and you don't have to understand coding or deployments and all of these things. You just can, like, if there's a problem, literally you take a screenshot and you drop it there and you will find out by itself. Okay, it's saying that the fix is live. Let's maybe try again. Hopefully this time. Who knows? I believe in you. Alright, send. Make it work. Make it work. Make it work. You can do it. You can do this. I will eat that pancake. Oh my god, it worked. Yes. Cool, so now we have a meal breakdown. Oh, even for better. Oh, I haven't even realized we had better here. Nice, amazing. Let's maybe try to take a picture on my phone. Wait. Okay, I just sent this picture on my laptop. Now let's send it. Tag. Will it work? Actually, let me drink a bit. I love Vita Coco. Please work. Oh yes. Vita Coco, 330, banana, all like granola. You got everything. It's amazing. This meal, today's total, 3 meals. Amazing. I love it. Here you go. That was how you could actually build your own version of Calorie on WhatsApp, I guess, with less than, probably 20 minutes. Hope you liked it.